think I have everything out that I need. Hopefully I will make it all work. This is going to be a kind of a 2-in-1, 2-for-1 video. I'm going to be doing the same fragrance, same colors, but different designs. I'm going to be using black raspberry vanilla from Brambleberry. I have 4 different colors, and I'm going to use some that's not colored. This fragrance is supposed to discolor yellow, but when I was looking at pictures, it really didn't look like it did much. So these will all work. I'm going to be using, let's see, Kermit Green and the, what is this one? Red Mica. Both of those are from Brambleberry. This is black Activate Charcoal from Essential Depot, and then the yellow is Banana Boat Yellow from Crafter's Choice Wholesale Supplies Plus. So this is going to be for the May Soap Challenge Club, and this is the Oasis Swirl created by Edgar. I don't know how to say his last name. I don't want to botch it, but he's a brilliant soap maker. I've been actually following him for a while because he does amazing creations both with melt and pour and with cold process. So he's absolutely brilliant. And it's very cool too because I just found out that he was a dancer, a professional dancer, and my background is in dance too. So anyway, I thought that was really cool. So for this batch, I'm going to be doing 2 loaves, both separate though, but using the same colors and fragrance. The first one is for the actual challenge. I spent some time yesterday. I don't have the dividers, so I had to hand make my own, made them out of cardboard, and then I wrapped them in tape. And then I'm going to do the other loaf, which I'll have to make another batch, is going to be just a gradient. So hopefully things will go okay with this. Since I'm in the experienced category, I do have to do 2 gradient pours on the outside, and then the inside is going to be, I'll probably do drop swirls in there. We'll see. The outside, I'm going to do gradient. One side will be yellow to white, and the other one will be white to green, or vice versa. And then the inside will be the red, the black, and then the like an uncolored. So that'll be my 3 right there. So the discoloration rather of that. So I'll have 3 different colors in there, and the 2 gradients on the outside, discoloring fragrance, I hope. So let's go ahead and get started. Once I do the emulsification, I'll divide it in thirds. So I'll have a third here, and then the other third I'll divide up in those 3. So the uncolored, the discoloration from the fragrance oil, the black, and the red, and then I will do the gradient in the other 2. So let's try it. ready to cut. Isn't that really pretty? And look at the cool stripes on the side. So this one, crisis averted. Beth had a heart attack yesterday. So I made these actually 2 days ago and in the evening, and I did cold process, oven process. So I put them in the oven, and we have 2 of the double ovens where like this one has like the smaller oven on top and the larger oven on the bottom. And then in our real kitchen, our main kitchen, we have another one just like it, but it's a gas version. So anyway, my daughter was making cookies, and instead of using any of the other ones, she came and flipped the heat on in here. Didn't look, which she wouldn't have thought to. So I heard a beep upstairs, and I'm like, what oven did you use? So I ran, got them out. They were very warm. Thankfully, I think the boxes helped insulate them, but anyway, no issues, thankfully. So let's go ahead and cut this and see what the design looks like.